Are you excited, guys? Who's the next? Yes. So I would like to call Ashu on the podium. So put your hands together for Ashu.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. Okay. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
First of all, I would like to give thanks to Ravi, sir, who has given me a golden chance to come on the stage. Thank you so much, sir, for having me here. Today, I am here on this podium to introduce myself. My name is Ashupal. I am 16 years old. I am a student. I am basically from Ardoi, but currently residing at Masanishwara in Faridabad. I have completed 10th from UP Wooden this year. Now I am doing 11th from SBM Inter College. Besides, I am learning English speaking classes by Ravi, sir. Now let me tell you something about my family. There are 5 family members, including me. My father is an advocate. My mother is a simple housewife. Both of my siblings are elder to me. My first sibling is my elder brother. He is doing LLB from Delhi University. My second sibling is my sister. She is doing her graduation. Now let me tell you something about my hobbies. My hobbies are playing badminton, watching TV, appreciating song, singing song. Now let me tell you something about my goals. My short-term goals is pass my graduation and get a good job for earning money. And my long-term goal is pass judiciary examination because I want to be a judge. That's why judiciary exam is very important. Now let me tell you something about my strengths. I am very hardworking. I am polite and introvert person. I am very punctual. Let me tell you, that's all about my information. Let me tell you something about my daily routine life. I get up early in the morning at 5 o'clock. After that, I do exercise because exercise plays an important role in our life. Exercise keeps us fit and healthy. That's why I do exercise daily around half an hour. After that, I take bath and do worship because I am optimistic and I believe that without God, the life is empty, meaningless, worthless. That's why I trust in God and keep a healthy relationship with Him in order to live a peaceful and joyful life. After worshiping, I take my breakfast and get ready for my institute. After reaching institute, I attend all subject classes and do cross questions and clear all my doubts. Because I make my notes on daily basis because personal notes is very helpful for us. After completing class, I go back to home and get fresh. Around 1 o'clock, I take my lunch and I take a little nap. I take rest around 1 hour. After that, I then get up and start my study. I am preparing intermediate examination. That's why I study around 5 to 6 hours daily. At 5 o'clock, I take my evening tea with my family and do some gossip about coronavirus and new system of education. And after that, I go to market for buying some household things like as grocery and vegetables. At 9 o'clock, I take my dinner and go to bed early because I get up early in the morning. That's all about my daily routine life. Now let me tell you something about my childhood. I was very naughty in my childhood. I used to play many games like as Patlam Patlai, hide and seek, and many more games. But my hide and seek was my favorite game, and I used to play this game a lot with my school friends. But I still remember these days, but gone are the days of playing all the games. Now I have lots of tension about my career and future. Now let me tell you something about how can we improve our communication skills. Communication is very, very important for our life. If you do job any private sector, then you will have to solve many issues. You will have to solve company issues. Then you will have to these all things by a good communication. Communication is very important. Good communication does not mean knowing a good language. First, I want to clear is English is the only language and communication is an art, and we can develop this art. And we can learn only English language. Then there are few steps if you follow this, and you will have to improve your communication. Then first is reading. Reading is very important element of improving communication. You will have to read daily English chapter. You can read a textbook. You can read English newspaper. You can read any book. What do you prefer? Second is listening. Listening is very important for learning any language. And listen and speaking. You listen many English movies. You can listen English music, and you can listen English lyrics. And third is speaking. You can try to speak at your home. You can do practice at your home. You can speak with your friends, with your relatives, and in front of a mirror. then will have to remove your awareness and hesitation. At last, I would like to give thanks to Ravi sir and Ashish sir who are running such an academy. Their student can make career and wins their dreams. Thank you so much, sir, and thank you, Robert, and thank you, A Plus Academy. Thank you, guys. Thank you for appreciating me.
Thank you, Ashu.